Today we're gonna talk about escape the matrix, and this is really popular these days. So I thought I should make a video on it, on my thoughts on it. My name is Caris. I live in Vancouver, Canada. I'm an immigrant from India. I help high-ticket affiliate marketers and coaches to scale their business to at least $10,000 a month. If you want to have more information about it, join my private community. I will put a link in the description below. Let's get started. So these days, this topic is going big on it. Escape the matrix, escape the matrix, especially by Andrew Tate, and he has brought on this thing up like again and again. You need to be a man, things like that. And something I have realized now after I have quit my job from last 3 to 4 months, and I realized this. Yes, this matrix control us and our thoughts, like from our upbringing as a kid, we have this thing that we want to listen to our superiors, we want to listen to our teachers. And as a grown up adult, again, a lot of people want to stuck in this, listen to superiors. So I will go on. What do you mean by matrix? Like what they really mean by matrix. So you waking up at 6 a.m, getting ready, stuck in the traffic, going to your 9 to 5 job, I don't care which job you do, and then coming back, watching Netflix, sleep. This is you stuck in a matrix. And the reason they're calling it because there are so many things to experience in life, but because of our social, of our upbringing, our social conditioning, our environment, we are stuck in this thing that it's okay to be like that. Life is supposed to be like that, but not in reality. I have friends myself. Yesterday I did an interview with a 30-year-old guy making $200,000 a month online. I have friends, 23-year-old friends who are making $4 million a year, $1 million a year. There is a possibility to escape the matrix. And how was I able to do that? I think about it that I was able to quit my job and I was able to full-time in my business. I am helping have clients and all that stuff. But when I started, I'm just adding some context to it. I came as a little kid to Canada, and I didn't have any contacts here as well. But especially with the internet, a lot of things are possible. I'll tell you a story. What I meant by the environment, stuck in the matrix. We have friends who, do 9 to 5 job, and we stuck around those people, and we think it's simple and it's regular to have that. And we have friends, sometimes they drink all day, sometimes they smoke weed all day. And we think it's normal to do that. If you can think normal, that is normal, why can't we think that making $1 million is normal? I haven't made $1 million yet, but for me, quitting the job was a really big thing. My next goal might be $1 million, but I was able to do that. So matrix is basically like they're calling out people who are stuck in 9 to 5, and they deep down, they want to do something big. They want to do something bigger with their lives. And next thing I would say, I will talk about how you can, if you feel like, not everybody won't feel like, they're stuck in the matrix. That's fine. That's totally fine. But I'm calling out people who feel like they are not built for 9 to 5 job. They want to have a successful life, that, they want to drive sports car and have the mansion, all that stuff. Ask any 10-year-old that what they want to do in life, what they want to have in life. They want a big mansion, they want a sports freaking cars, and they want a lot of girls. But because of the society, every men want to do that. But because of society, we are conditioned. Follow your passion, do this job, you will make this money, do this thing. Why can't we listen to ourselves for a second? We need to sit down and think about these things. Why this is like this, why this is like this, why I'm stuck in this, why can't I do this? And it's supposed to be hard. It's supposed to be hard to getting out there, because it took me 1 year working freaking every day, sometimes sleeping 4 hours a day, and it's hard. but it's too really worth it. Having freaking six-pack abs it had hard, but it's worth it. So how can you expect from the metrics? You have a lot, especially with the internet, you have so many options. Affiliate marketing, trading, drop shipping, Amazon FBA. You can be a freaking influencer these days. You can do a lot of things, and you don't have to figure out the $1 million. You just have to find out a way that you can make that $5,000-$10,000 on your own. That you can figure out that path, that okay, I'm making $10,000 USD a month, and now that I really wanna travel. You can travel new places, you can do so many things, but the society comes in. I was lucky enough that right now I live in an apartment alone. I was lucky enough to go away from my old friends, go away from my all acquaintances, that I don't have to be there. Now I have friends. Like yesterday I did an interview with a freaking $1 million earner, and just yesterday, if you want to have the look at the interview, what he thought he shared is all about business. What he thought he shared about like how he's built his business, personal branding, things like that. If you are business too, you can do a business as well. Now these, and I will at the end of the video, everybody knows these options: affiliate marketing, trading, coaching, Amazon, drop shipping, business. Everybody know these options, but I will tell you why a lot of people don't want to do this and escape the matrix. Just really simple answer. And you can use these things to get out of it. You can do whatever you want, and I will tell you now is the time I will tell you a reason that why a lot of people are not able to get out of this 9 to 5 thing. Because the reason is they want to figure this out on their own. Think about it. If you want a six-pack abs, who will you listen to? You don't have six-pack ab right now. Who will you listen to? You would go to a gym trainer who already has a six-pack abs. But people don't want to listen to when somebody tells them start this business. Doesn't matter. Network marketing, affiliate marketing, something like that. They say, oh, it's not for me. I want to follow my passion. Oh, I don't want to talk to people. Freaking do the things that need to be built the business. I used to think the same way. Like, okay, I don't want to make video. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. But just be a freaking man. Have a discipline. Just do the thing that is necessary to do this to escape this matrix. It's just installed in our brain that okay, if you want to make a lot of money, you need to find out your passion. But majority of people can't find out their passion. You know why so many protein sales are more higher than people joining the gym? Because they want to lose the weight their own way, and they're never able to do that. Because the right way is to go to gym and have the protein. Doesn't make sense? If you leave the feelings behind for 6 months, how I feel while doing things, how I feel. If something is making you money, go freaking do it. If sales is making you money, go freaking knock the doors all day. I done that. Knocking doors. I used to make $1,000 a day by just knocking doors because I got good in sales. Then I started making these YouTube videos. I started building my business. I started doing new things. But now this is normal. That was so freaking. Do the uncomfortable. Your life will change. Your life will change. If you do this, just one thing, your life will change. And this is something coming from my heart. Until you don't want to listen to people who are doing better than you, till you don't listen to people who are making the money that you want, who are doing great things in life, and you want to figure out this thing your own, you want to figure six-pack out on your own, you want to figure out the perfect relationship on your own, you want to figure out the business on your own, it's going to be really hard. I have seen people say I don't have investment. Affiliate marketing doesn't need much investment. Trading doesn't need much investment. Starting a coaching business doesn't take much investment. Starting network marketing doesn't take much investment. But there's money to be made. There is money to be made. Don't focus on the feeling, how you feel. You're feeling shitty anyways, doing your 9 to 5 job. Why not freaking focus on something you feel shitty and you make a lot of money and get out this escape the matrix. Hope this helps. It might sound as a rant, but I have seen so many more talented people than me. I have seen so many more deserving people than me. But you need the discipline. You need to keep the feelings away. Every day I wake up at 5:30 a.m. It's no fun to wake up 5:30 a.m. You might, when you go to job, you wake up 7 a.m. I wake up at 5:30 a.m. But it's really hard, but I don't have to stuck in this. I can do whatever I want when I want it. It's the best life. So do this, find something out. It's an easy way. Hope this helped, guys. Wish you a great day. Wish you happy holidays. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. See you soon.